Hi, I'm Tucker Pierce, and I am the artist behind Sewn Portraits. For almost 8 years now, I've been creating tiny portraits of pets and people and anything you can think of on felt. I create these portraits based off life. If you want to sit down in front of me, or if it's a pet or a baby or someone that doesn't want to sit quite still, usually I do it off the phone, but it takes about 3 minutes, not a lot of time, and I call it my Ouija board motion. Moving the felt, but the thread stays in one place, and that's how I draw. It's kind of the opposite of what you do with a pencil and paper. I think it's sort of a fun experience, like an alternative to a traditional caricature artist, and it's just like a nice way for me to interact with my subjects and leave them with something fun to take home. It's as much fun to watch it happen as it is to be left with your own portrait at the end of the experience. I definitely don't just sew people's faces. Anything I can draw, I can sew. I've done people's cats, dogs, I've done a goldfish, a hamster, I've done people's houses. There's definitely no limit to what I can create on felt. This idea for Sewn Portraits came out of a class I was taking at Washington University called Conceptual Methods in Drawing, where one of our homework assignments was to try and draw with 100 different tools, and I kind of got distracted by the sewing machine that was in my studio, and it was really fun. So I don't think I quite completed that assignment, but I think it definitely led to some fun things for me to explore down the line. I think people are excited about Sewn Portraits because it's something they haven't seen before, and I think it's also just a really great interactive experience. You want to videotape it, you want to take pictures, and at the end of the day you have something really unique that you can hang on your Christmas tree or put it in a frame or give it as a wedding present. It's a mixture of experience and artwork.